Mother's Day is an ordinary celebration for mothers. For me, my mother is a person who taught me to stand on my feet. She is a person who taught me.
Wando nakadakatam takko takko gidi go idi pai chiki chakacho gili man sulu man makanak buka bukure chakalaka bikko chikko sili go bagadum chiki chakacho.
देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई आसमान में छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हम जैसे देखे ये चाहत सारी जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो मैं ख्वाब बुन ले
हमारी आंखों से आंसू अपनी आंखों में समा लेती है माँ, हंसी हम पर लुटा देती है माँ, हमारी खुशियों में शामिल होकर हमारे गम सारे गम भुला देती
So I'm sure kids, they are getting a very beautiful and healthy environment in their school as well as at home. तो वो सब चीज़ें करना तो बेकार है, बट मैं स्टिल अभी अपनी मदर्स के लिए कहना चाहूँगी, सब इतनी यंग ब्यूटीफुल अच्छी अच्छी मदर्स है, उन लोग के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखना। अगर वो खुद से हेल्दी रहेंगी तभी वो अपनी बच्चों का और अपनी फैमिली का ध्यान रख पाएंगे। तो मेरी मदर्स से बस ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि अपनी हेल्थ को कभी इग्नोर नहीं करो, अपने रेगुलर चेकअप्स कराते रहो।
Incident in the beginning, when I just know in the morning, when I went to fetch Dr. Pallavi, while she sat in the car, and she was barely 2 to 3 minutes late. It wasn't that, we wouldn't call it as late. She apologized and said, "Ma'am, वो cesarean कर रही थी." I did not share it with ma'am, but I looked at her twice, out of shock. The lady who performs cesarean, mothers know it very well, those who have undergone this, that conducting a cesarean and just immediately, instantly coming into the switching over and then coming and gracing the occasion is not a small thing. Only a mother can do that. Only a mother has that strength, that potential to switch over from one role to another role. So motherhood की परिभाषा अभी बदली नहीं है। जो हमारी मदर्स ने किया करते थे हमारे लिए, आज हम लोग भी अपने बच्चों के लिए वही कर रहे हैं। What I want to add on to that is, as Dr. Pallavi also shared it with us, self-care. It has to be given priority, right? Children grow up. They will be on their own very soon. They will be independent. So what you did for the 9 months by carrying them in your home and just in your home and taking care of them. And ma'am also shared one thing, ma'am, I wish you would have told it to them, so please permit me to tell it to the mothers, that those 9 months are very important. Chitrakshi ma'am also shared it. The baby feels vibrations. If the mother is happy, those vibrations can be felt by the baby, unborn baby. If mother has going through some conflict or is unhappy or depressed, the baby also receives those vibrations. So that's why it becomes even more important to keep yourself happy.